Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I wanted to show you a quick review of the Slege watch box. This is going to be a wooden watch box with, as you can see right here, 8 watch slots. Something really cool about this watch box is going to be that it also has a drawer right here, so we are also going to be able to let's say storage some extra jewelry, watch straps as well. When they shipped this out, they also included a very nice piece of cloth, so material that you can actually use in order to remove all scratches from your watches. Something that I really like about these cushions is the fact that they're going to be very soft, so very nice to the touching. This watch, this particular model, has a wrist size of 165 millimeters, so I would say that anything above that is going to be very easy to accommodate. Otherwise, you would have to keep your clasp opened. Here I also have my Casio automatic, also with the wrist size of 165 millimeters or 6.5 inches. And as you can see, I really like the fact that you can tilt your watches either facing up, either facing yourself, and they are going to be very stable. So the quality when it comes to this particular watch box, in my opinion, is going to be very high for the price that you pay. You can also see that the hinges are very nice, very good quality. I really like the fact that we have this display case, so this glass right here, so I can see my watches. The logo is going to be right here, and as I mentioned, we are going to have this extra drawer right here where we can put some extra stuff. So you can even use this as a couple. So for example, this is going to be my wife's watch. Here we have all of her jewelry. I can even place here some extra straps for my watches and even a spring bar removal tool in case I want to replace the watch straps by myself. So as I mentioned, this is going to be something really cool. I really like the attention to detail, the finishing. I really like how it looks. So this is going to be a very beautiful way to storage your watches, to keep them safe, to make sure that you can see them, and it is going to be very beautiful aesthetically as well. So guys, if you're looking for something of a premium quality without breaking the bank, I would definitely recommend this watch box by Slege. I guarantee you are going to love it, and they also have a bunch of different colors, so make sure to go with the one that you like the most.